Where the Bosuzoku at? I don't know. In central Tokyo, there's not a lot of Bosuzoku. Let's get that kebab, boy. What the fuck are you guys gonna do? Come to Japan and steal my shit? Not yet! Even if you did, you wouldn't have Wi-Fi. Let's go, baby. Lulae. Bro, you got some balls? It's Japan. People don't... It is Kabukicho, so it's a bit riskier, but it's still Japan, bro. We're good, bro. My 2-second pee is not dangerous, boy. Don't you worry about a thing. The GPS is actually in my pocket, but good idea for keeping that in my bag next time. That's actually not a bad idea. And we can do exclamation mark map and just track my shit. No one has ever tried to rob me in Japan. Outside of Japan, yes, I've been mugged before. It was very scary. In Japan, no, never. It doesn't really happen that much here. It's not like it doesn't happen. It's just very uncommon. $300 yen kebab. 300 yen kebab. Pokey is out. Have a good sleep, Pokey. Nah, while streaming, it was like more than 10 years ago at this point. No, it was not while streaming. I don't think it would happen. I got a camera on my face. Who the hell would rob me with a camera on my face?